When we think of air pollution, most of us think of the air outdoors. Everyone is familiar with images like this of air pollution. However, the fact is, indoor air can be far more polluted than outdoor air. What makes that problem so serious is that the pollutants indoors are not usually visible. An invisible enemy is far more dangerous than a visible one. In addition, we spend the majority of our time indoors, whether it's school, work, or home, and most people are not aware of this indoor pollution. Not only is the general public not aware of the problem, the average person is working really hard to create an ideal home promoted through advertising that poisons them slowly. This is a tragic situation. The law that mandated toxic chemicals in our furniture and electronics began with the tobacco industry, which wanted to shift the blame away from cigarettes for fires that had been started involving cigarettes. Whose responsibility is it if you start a fire with a cigarette? Well, people decided it was the cigarette industry's responsibility, so people sued and won. The tobacco industry got tired of paying. The industry agreed that it was not the responsibility of the individuals who started the fire with the cigarettes, but the industry defended the cigarettes by claiming it's really the fault of the furniture. The furniture should not burn in the first place. Wow, amazing. What is really amazing is the fact that this nonsense became the basis of the law, and special emphasis was placed on bedding and clothing for children during a time when these toxic chemicals can do the most harm. The story illustrates how one small act of refusing to take responsibility by individuals led to great harm for everyone and the environment. Act like you make a difference, because it does. The only question is whether that difference is a positive or a negative one. We are constantly choosing where the purchases we make and how we are being. We claim our power when we take responsibility.